Hi, my name is Anne. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make cold coffee at home. Cold coffee, iced coffee, devil's own, இந்த மாதிரி விதவிதமான பேரில் நம்ம டெஃபினெட்லி ஒன்ஸாவது வெளியே போய் காஃபி குடிச்சிருப்போம். பட் அதோட ஒரு ஃப்ராக்ஷன் ஆஃப் த காஸ்டில் மச் ஹெல்தியர் வெரி டேஸ்டியான ஒரு கோல்ட் காஃபி எப்படி பண்ணுறதுன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். And you can make it in under 2 minutes. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly show you how to make cold coffee. To make cold coffee, I'm taking 1 cup of milk. You can take any milk of your choice. And then I'm adding 5 almonds that was soaked overnight. I've also taken off the peel. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of roasted oats. Make sure the oats is roasted well. Then I'm adding half teaspoon of coffee powder. You can increase the quantity if you like it more strong. Next I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of liquid jaggery. You can increase the quantity if you like. Now we're gonna grind this into a smooth mixture. Finally, I'm taking a glass and a handful of ice cubes in it. Then we're going to transfer the cold coffee into it. Then we're going to give it a good mix and our cold coffee is ready. Trust me guys, this tastes so delicious. So that is all. It's this simple. Once you try this out, you won't even feel like going out and having coffee anymore. Unless you're doing it to spend time with your friends or family. If you have any friends who love coffee, please share this recipe with them. And in the coming videos, I will be uploading a lot of diet plans for weight loss. If you are interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So that's it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.